morning and welcome to KidsAlive Church. This is Buddy the Zebra and today we are continuing our series on fruit of the Spirit. Today the lesson is going to be about gentleness. Do you know what's it like to be gentle? You have to be gentle. Your mom will tell you, please be gentle with that. Don't touch that. Don't touch this. Please be gentle with your brother or sister, right? You have to be gentle. What is it to be gentle? To be gentle means to be soft and nice and kind, right? Gentleness is so important. Now, during this period, when you're stuck at home with your brother and sister, it's so easy to be rough. Oh, I want things my way. I cannot forgive. Now, gentleness, I think, has a lot to do with forgiveness as well. When you forgive your friends, when you forgive your brother and sister, you become gentle, right? Now, I was thinking of this. Like when my kids come to me and if they say, Mom, I want Maggie Mee now. Will that be how will I respond well? Or will they say, or if they say, Mom, can I have Maggie Mee today for lunch? I would probably respond better, right? So how are we speaking to one another is important. How do you respond to one another is important. Now, there's a very nice story in the Bible. It was about this woman and she was caught in adultery. That means she did a sin, okay? So these guys, these big religious guys, they threw her down to Jesus' feet and they said to Jesus, look, this woman has sinned. What are you going to do about it? Jesus kept quiet. Then he said, okay. So he just bent down and he kept quiet. You know, he was minding his own business. Then he looked up at them. He said, okay, guys. Who has not sinned may cast the first stone. That means who has not sinned, you may start killing this woman. And you know what these guys did? They walked away. Because they all knew that they had committed a sin before. All of us have sinned before. And so Jesus got up again and he looked at the woman and he said, your sin is forgiven. Go and don't sin anymore. That was a gentle word by Jesus to that woman. Jesus was gentle and he spoke gently to that woman. Let's look at this egg. When you see an egg, you know how fragile it is and you cannot just simply crush it or simply throw it, right? You have to be very gentle with it. Now, our life is like that. When we look at someone, we have to be gentle with them. We have to be kind to those around us, to our brothers, to our sisters. When you smash this egg, look at how this egg smashes. Can we put back all the inside of the egg back into the egg? Can we put it back? No, because it's been crushed. It's finished. It's gone. What you say, you cannot take back. That is not being gentle. So we have to learn today, children, to be gentle. Let our words be gentle. Today's memory verse is this. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Proverbs 15 verse 1. Again, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Proverbs 15 verse 1. I hope this word has blessed you today. I am blessed. I'm going to learn a lot by being gentle to my children from now on. I hope you are blessed. Take care, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.